Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 CNC Laser Head. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Einbusseln 450 nanometers. Specifications. Brand name Einbusseln. Controller CNC USB. Model number 40 to 80 watts. CNC or not CNC. Wavelength 450 nanometers. Main application laser engraving, laser cutting. Material aluminum alloy, plastic, copper. Input voltage 12 to 24 volts. Size 45 by 35 by 145 millimeters. Condition new. Item number 4 is Laser Tree K20. Specifications. Brand name Laser Tree. Model number LT K20. Wavelength 450 nanometers. Focus length 40 millimeters. Optical power 19 to 21 watts. Input 24 volts 4 amperes. Power adjustable TTL PWM. Drive design built-in. Function engraving, cutting. Material aluminum alloy. Interface 2EDG 3.81. Fan speed 9000 RPM. As the item number 3 we've selected Einbusseln laser module. Specifications. Brand name Einbusseln. Controller CNC USB. Wavelength 450 nanometers. Main application laser engraving, laser cutting. Material aluminum alloy, plastic, copper. Input voltage 12 to 24 volts. Item number 2 is Laser Module LM-C80. Specifications. Model number LM-C80. Controller GRBL. Optical power 10 watts. Power adjustable TTL PWM. Material aluminum and copper. Wavelength 445 nanometers. Input 12 volts 1.7 amperes, 24 volts 3.5 amperes. Module size 40 by 40 by 142 millimeters. Application engraving or cutting. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Laser Tree 80W laser module. Specifications. Brand name Laser Tree. Model number 80W laser head. Type blue laser head. Material aluminum alloy plus plastic. Optical power 4 watts, 5 watts, 10 watts. Wavelength 450 nanometers. Operating voltage 12 to 24 volts. Interface XH 2.54-3P socket. Application cutting, engraving.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.